You're cleaning out an old attic. You breathe in some dust. 2 weeks later, you're in the ICU. Your lungs are drowning from the inside. And there is no vaccine, no treatment, nothing. Hantavirus can't be seen, can't be smelled, gives no warning. It lives in the droppings, urine, and saliva of infected rodents, which show zero symptoms themselves. Perfectly healthy-looking mice, spreading the virus everywhere they go. When those droppings dry out, they form invisible microaerosols. A single sweep of a broom in an infested space is enough to inhale them. The incubation period lasts between 1 and 6 weeks. During that entire time, nothing. No signal. Your body fights in silence, without you knowing. Then it starts, and it looks exactly like a common flu. Fever of 100 degrees Fahrenheit, intense headaches, muscle pain, chills, deep fatigue. You tell yourself it'll pass. You stay home, you rest. That's precisely when the danger is greatest, because it's during this phase, before hospitalization, that you're most contagious to the people around you. And the whole time, the virus isn't waiting. Then, within hours, everything accelerates. A dry cough appears. Breathing becomes difficult. Chest pressure sets in. The lungs begin to fill with fluid. This is Hantavirus Cardiopulmonary Syndrome. The alveoli, the tiny air sacs that allow oxygen to pass into the bloodstream, are flooded by massive edema. You drown from the inside. Progressively, relentlessly. With no antiviral treatment available, doctors have only one option. Keep your body alive long enough for your immune system to fight on its own. Mechanical ventilation. ECMO, a machine that oxygenates your blood for you. Dialysis, if the kidneys fail. The fatality rate, depending on the strain, between 30 and 60%. Not 1 in a million. 3 to 6 people out of 10 don't make it back. What sets hantavirus apart from most rare viruses is its silence. In April 2026, 175 passengers and crew members from 23 nationalities boarded the MV Hondius. A few weeks later, 3 dead, 8 confirmed cases, and several hundred contact cases identified by the WHO scattered across 4 continents simultaneously: France, Canada, Australia, Germany, the Netherlands, Singapore, South Africa, Spain, Switzerland, Turkey, the United States. And the Andes strain crosses a line very few viruses cross. It transmits human to human through saliva, respiratory secretions, sexual contact, a rodent virus jumping directly between humans. No vaccine, no approved antiviral. Since there is no treatment, your only weapon is you before exposure. Before cleaning a potentially infested space, ventilate the room for 30 minutes with windows open before entering. Never dry sweep aerosols are the primary infection route. Wear an N95 mask, thick gloves, and a protective suit if possible. At home, seal any cracks or openings where rodents could enter. Store food in airtight containers. Remove anything that could attract them. If you've been in contact with an infested space and flu-like symptoms appear within 6 weeks, see a doctor immediately. Explicitly mention the exposure. Every hour counts. Hantavirus doesn't kill because it's unknown. It kills because by the time you understand what it is, it's often already too late. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like to support Noah, our dear test subject. See you in the next video.